Introducing Maater Cosmetics, a cosmic aesthetic skincare brand that's made up of using active plant-based ingredients and organic pure essential oils. The formulations all capture and react with light to define and accentuate sculptural features of the face and or body. The face ones are under the category Space Face. This one is Alpha Glowing Facial Oil. This is a skin regenerating face oil. It helps to moisturize and balance the skin, and it contains pearl mica dust for heightened luminosity and contouring. The next one is Kappa Enhancing Face Oil, skin strengthening oil that works also as a deep antioxidant, and it helps to improve the look of fine lines and wrinkles, and it's deeply hydrating and nourishing and softening, and just leaves your skin with a nice glowing finish, and it helps to enhance the appearance and firmness of your face. This also comes in a roller form, so you can kind of target specific areas easily. The Celestial Bodies, there's the Gamma Illuminating Body Oil, is an illuminating, anti-inflammatory and pigmentation correcting body oil. So it has gold mica dust to provide a bronze glow, as well as accentuating the sculptural features of your body. There's also the Beta Radiating Body Oil. So this is described as their better mood, better skin oil, made with precious botanical oils that help to improve stress-related conditions. And this one contains silver mica dust. This is a Canadian, Vancouver-based brand. All the products are available now at MASC in Vancouver and shopmasc.com.